Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Glendale local and long distance movers near me. Do you need to move around the Glendale, California area, or need to ship your things long distance? Look no further. One of the best moving companies in the area is ready to give you a hand. 3 Movers is the wise option for easy relocation to the location. 3 Movers employs professional movers to make your move as smooth as possible. 3 Movers has many years of experience in the industry and is customer-oriented, offering a personalized service aimed to best fit your schedule, budget, and preferences. If you are worried about how expensive a long-distance move would be, the affordable prices offered by 3 Movers are going to make your stress go away. Moving long distance often involves complex operations, but it's a part of life, and professionals like 3 Movers do it every day. Here is what our years of experience will offer you: delivery on time, safe shipping, extra services, storage rental, and local movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glendale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.